Okay, guys, that is what I captured of Wolf Warrior. You can see the blinking on the bottom, so there is mine effects. And then those howlers that go super high, they go higher than a Noab. They do have brakes to them. This thing is just an awesome cake. It's $30. Next up, we are going to look at Send It to the Max. It's a $32 cake. It's got more howlers than the Wolf Warrior. 24 shots. Another one. I just love these cakes. And one that I won't be showing in this video, but you can definitely look up on YouTube. Another good cake. It's $24. Operation Hang Time by Wind of Fireworks. Waylon here with Discount Fireworks. If you don't know me, I own WisconsinDiscountFireworks.com. I have stores in Ripon and Oxford, Wisconsin. I will open any time of the year for you by appointment. We are open most of the year though. We just filmed all kinds of Proline videos. I've got a lot of consumer videos coming. I've got a permit for 5 hours of demos coming up here soon. So please subscribe to our channel, watch us, pay attention to us. Man, you're seeing what we're selling. No Chinese videos. I know, there's one thing, fireworks aren't always the video you see, but I try to make them be. I love to get demos of all my product out there for you guys. So watch them here, buy them here. We appreciate you guys all. Look forward to having a good New Year's with you. And of course, any time of year, any celebration, get a hold of us. We will open up 365 days a year for you guys. And there may be an occasion I just can't do it, but odds are somebody's available. Thanks, guys.